Ever wished you could effortlessly accept payments directly through German bank transfers on your Shopify store? Well, today we're diving deep into integrating Giropay with Stripe to unlock that precise capability, and trust me, it's simpler than you think. First things first, your journey begins within your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to your settings, and then to the payments section here. You'll want to ensure that Stripe is already set up as your primary payment gateway. Now, the magic happens within your Stripe account. Log into your Stripe dashboard and head over to the settings, then specifically to the payment methods section. This is where you'll see a comprehensive list of all available payment options. Locate the Add Payment Method button, or a similar option to enable new methods. Carefully scroll through the list and find Giropay. It's usually clearly labeled and grouped with other direct bank transfer or SEPA-related options. Once you've found Giropay, simply toggle the switch to activate it as an accepted payment method within your Stripe account. Stripe handles the direct integration, so you don't need to worry about any complex technical setups. Now, head back to your Shopify admin panel. To that same payments section we visited earlier. Refresh the page, and you should now see Giropay listed as an available payment option, powered by your Stripe integration. Confirm that Giropay is checked and enabled for your customers. With this simple step, you've successfully expanded your payment options, making it incredibly convenient for your German customers to pay directly from their bank accounts. This integration is a fantastic way to cater to the preferences of the German market, potentially boosting your sales and building trust. It truly is that straightforward to get Giropay up and running on your Shopify store.